Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll walk through how to create content using the HTML editor in D2L Brightspace. This tool allows you to format text, insert images, and enhance your course materials. First, navigate to the content area and open a module where you want to add content. Click Upload Create and select Create a File. Enter a title for your page. This title should be clear and relevant to the content you're adding. In the editor, you'll see a formatting toolbar similar to word processing programs. Here, you can type text, bold, or italicized words and add hyperlinks. To insert an image, click the Insert Image icon. Upload a file and add alternative text for accessibility. Once you've finished formatting your content, click Save and Close to add it to your module. And that's how you use the HTML editor in D2L Brightspace. This tool helps you create engaging and accessible content for your course.